just one thing that really bothers me. Every day, in almost every way, said you're not there to take my hand and hold it tight when everything is going neither wrong nor right while I'm away. While I'm away, how can I be like any other guy that you could know, who could love you so? While I'm away, the world won't stop the day until the moment when I can be back in your arms again, sharing your charms again. While I'm away, while I'm away. Seasons come and all the seasons go, but nothing's changed, not slightly rearranged. I hope that someday soon that you'll be always there, stand beside me and say you'll always care. But until then, I pray to God above that nothing ever happens to this lovely thing called love. And just remember, baby, that I think of you while I'm away. While